celebrating not only their prosperity, but also our prosperity as well. Whatever it is that you prepared for our dearest Matt and Cherry, we are thankful, ladies and gentlemen, that you have been so kind, you have been so beautiful, not only for the husband and the wife, but for their families who are hosting the celebration of their marriage. Ladies and gentlemen, this time is a perfect time for all of us to be together, to be one, as we are all with our dearest Mr. and Mrs. Sika, as they have decided to build their own family. From this day onwards, it has been so sweet of a gesture to see everybody being with them and not denying themselves from being part of this wonderful celebration. Thank you so much, everyone, and may God always be with you. God bless you. Yaon po kita sa lampang saro. Sa ito pong pagpadaba sa pagagong. Salamat po marhay sa Indo. Sana po ang gabos sa kapuotan sa buyagong ipapangadji, hindi po ay maibalik sa Indo. Liglig, siksik, as in, arapaw. Ayan po. Salamat po marhay. Natin Cherry, good way. As wait, let's go on. Ladies and gentlemen, the Camarines Norte Performing Artists is a group composed of former and current students of the Camarines Norte State College and who have been part of the Performing Arts unit of the same college. Thank you so much to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, for being with Mr. and Mrs. Sikal, as they are now so overwhelmed with the fact that they have this joy in their hearts being celebrated by each one of us through this tradition. Hey. Maraming salamat po mga kaibigan. Ako po'y magtatanong dahil baka po may magtampo. Ako po'y nagbabalak na ito po'y putulin ko na. Pero baka po may magtampo. Kung kaya po ako'y magtatanong, meron pa po ba tayong ihahabol? Kami po'y matyagang maghihintay. Kaya puro lang po. Ladies and gentlemen, do we still have more for Mr. and Mrs. Sikal? Yes, our grandma! Mga kaibigan, ito po ang tinatawag na mga nagmamahal na kaibigan at kapamilya who are taking their time to be with us for a little while. Ladies and gentlemen, if everything is in, let's if only Dylan in our villa, where have you been? Okay. Ayan po. Siyempre si Dylan hindi ang papayag na hindi siya dahil makasabay. Salamat po mga kaibigan sa iba't ibang pamamaraan po ng pagpapaabot ng regalo sa mga bagong kasal. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat. Ladies and gentlemen, if ever everything is in, may I ask everybody to give themselves the biggest round of applause. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. Face everybody, Mr. and Mrs. Sikal. Face everybody. And with all humility, please take a bow. You're most welcome. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you. And to our group, please have your pictures taken together with the newlyweds? Mga kaibigan, isa po sa pinakapayak at simpleng maganap ng ating pantumina ay ang inyo pong nasaksihan. Sapagkat ayon po sa mga bagong kasal at sa kanilang mga magulang, nais po nilang mabigyan ng isang magandang karanasan ang kanilang mga bagong kasal na anak. Higit sa ano pa man, sapagkat ang regalo ay maaari naman pong maibahagi sa iba't ibang pamamaraan. Ito po